Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to verify your Discord account. So the very first thing you should do here is to open your Discord account and then go to your user settings, tap this one here. And then under user settings, what you're going to do is to look for account. You have to look for account because inside account, you will see here your email address. In order for you to verify your account, you have to verify it on your email address. So click this edit right here, and to verify your account, they will send you a code. So all you have to do is to click this send verification code right here, tap this one, wait as it is processing. So what you're going to do next is you have to go to your email address or open your Gmail or email account here, and then you have to look for your inbox. Then you will see here the code. So what you're going to do is to right click or select all and then right click and then copy, and then after that, you can now go back to your Discord. And this time, what you're going to do next is to simply paste the code right here and then tap next. And that's how you verify your Discord account. So once you have verified your account, then you have the full access to your Discord application. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.